Hi guys, my name is Srindike and you are watching Tracky Tech. Today we are going to review the Redmi 5 Plus running on MIUI 12 stable global. So without going further ahead, let's go to the video. Okay, so as you can see, the stable MIUI 12 for Redmi 5 Plus Wins has been released for this device. It's actually like a really more stable, like as you can see. Settings, no bugs at all. There are a little minor bugs, but no problem with that. Okay, so as you can see, I applied a theme. If you want a theme, it's in the description below. Okay, so as you can see, settings normal, just like MIUI 12 normal. The changes that I saw is that the animations changed because not the animation, but the lag is already fixed in this. Like look, tap animation is like really good. I really like it because it's better than the previous model. Previous version. Control center all the same working now. The control center also has been smoothened. Okay, we get the camera APK. Finally, we get that in this ROM. But the shutter button is a little washed out in the bottom. I think you would, don't notice that. Just don't notice that. Okay, so HDR is there. Video. Even the camera APK is also there. So you can gladly install this ROM without no doubts. Okay. I think there are no major differences in this, but the lags is just fixed. There are even always on display. Yeah, that's the number one thing for this thing. Okay, for this ROM, because AOD is only for AMOLED displays, but as you can see, the Redmi 5 Plus runs on LCD display. So how can it handle? But the Redmi 5 Plus handles AOD. So let's try some things. Okay, I'm taking Kaleidoscope. There are actually really lot of things. So let's try that AOD. Look, but there's a bug. It blinks and it goes and it disappears. Yeah, that's a bug. It blinks and it finally disappears. But I really love this ROM, for reviewing. Don't use this as a daily driver. Okay, so and even face unlock is also there in this ROM. The face unlock setup has been changed like really so much, but the fingerprint setup has not been changed at all. Even the lock screen gestures has blur is introduced in MIUI 12 like more. Okay, there was blur in MIUI 11, but not that much. The unlocking animation does the same. It's like the previous was like lag, like really lag, but this is like so smooth. So let's go to settings. I want to show you a thing, and let's go to password and security to show you what face unlock works. So let's I'm typing 0000 because that's the easiest password. Okay, so now let me show you. Let me delete my previous face data, and now I'm setting up so that you guys can see what MIUI 12's face data shows us. So let's go on. That changed a lot. First it shows male, then female. It's really good. The animation. Now this is like just like iOS. Okay. It's finally added successfully. And the speed has not changed. It has not even changed a bit. It's just the same. Just swipe up. Like worked. Okay, now just swipe up. It's actually really smooth. I really like the smoothness of the unlocking animation. Really liked it. So if you want to install this ROM, it's in the description box below. So like this video and subscribe. So now there are really a lot more features to show you. Let's go to settings, password and security. Fingerprint does not fingerprint did not even change a bit. I'll show you if you want. Like, it's just literally the same. It has not even changed a bit. Even the speed is also same, just like Face Unlock. As you can see, boom. It's also the same, like, you know, it's really the same. Yeah, it's really good. But for performance, yeah, it's really fast, but I think there are some minor bugs. Yeah, I mean, hotspot does not work. I'm so sorry. I don't know why it doesn't work in this ROM. I hope that will be fixed in the next ROM. So as you can see, MIUI version 0. Yeah, I think the updated app does not work. It just blinks and, you know, it won't take us to the updated app. I don't know why. I don't know. It's like really bad. Look, for something keeps stopping. I don't know why. Connection sharing, Mi Share is there, but it doesn't work. Even portable hotspot also doesn't work. I told you, yeah. I don't know why. When I turn it on, it turns off. I don't know why. That's a major bug. Okay, I hate that thing. So I hope, you know, the next MIUI 12.4 wins. You know, to the developers, please fix all the bugs so we can use. Even the storage function is like, you know, when we tilt the device, it, you know, flows to the left, right. I showed you in a forgot to show you in a previous video. Okay, so no change. Yeah, even one more. Storage, oh yeah, the tense sensitivity, I don't know why. Okay, so storage is a bug. You know, everything shows 0 bytes, 0 B. I don't know why, but everything shows up 0 B. As you can see, that's also a bug, so we can't know storage. As you can see, when we long press, we can know, you know, the storage options, but 0 bytes. Seriously, it's really a bad bug, okay? Yeah. These animations, yeah, just like the previous and recent ads. The Android version is Pie. So yeah, we get Pie animations. So we don't get the pill in Android 10. Yeah, it's a fade off. As you can see, we get full screen gestures, but we don't get the pill as usual. Yeah, it's really good. I mean, I really like this ROM more than stock Android because I don't know why. It just looks so cool, and I really love this theme. Don't forget that it's still in the description, guys. Don't forget to try to install. It's really good. Oh guys, I think this is the end of the video. It's me Srindik and you are watching Trickle Kitter. I'm gonna see you in the next video, and before that, like and subscribe.